This is a pre-calculus. We're gonna study law of cosine. Previous video we discussed law of sine, how use law of sine to solve the triangle. Now we're gonna introduce law of cosine. What is law of cosine? Looks a little complicated compared to law of sine. Here is a formula. Here is law of cosine. Cosine is gonna be triangle. You're gonna solve this triangle by using the law of cosine. That's the formula. Is k equal b squared plus c squared minus 2bc cosine A. You only need one angle when you're using law of cosine. From there, this one, guys, solve for cosine A, which meaning is you're gonna move 2bc is to the left, a square is right. So you have 2bc cosine A equal b square plus c square minus a square. Divide by 2bc both sides, cosine A gonna be b square plus c square minus a square 2bc. That's how you have this formula. Same thing is the second and third. Here is a big question. When do you use law of sine? When do you use law of cosine? Law of cosine is you have only one angle. But when you're using sine, law of sine, you have no one pair of angle and side. Let's have an example how to use law of cosine. So here is triangle, guys. This we have solved the triangle. So you have this side, you're gonna using law of sine, law of cosine. When you see this one, guys, so think about which one you're gonna use. Here is the idea. When you see it, here is a sine, you don't know the angle. Here is angle, you don't know the side. Here is a side, you don't know the angle. You cannot using law of sine. So we have to find here angle B, angle C, and you have find A. That's not really pair. Angle B, we know the side. Angle C, we know the side. But A, we know, we have find A, but we know the angle. Okay, so that case, we're gonna using law of sine. So we know the angle A. That's why we're gonna using law of sine. First formula, A square equal B square plus C square minus 2bc cosine A, because we know the angle A. That you have used it. So let's find A, side A. B is 22 square plus C is 35 square minus 2. 22 times C is 35. Here cosine 52 degree. Here is very important, guys. When you see this one, guys, this one you have square plus cos 35 square minus, you're gonna have times together. That's you're gonna find it, guys. Okay, make sure it. When you find this value gonna be 760.8813. So how can find A value? You square root to it. A is square root 760.8813, approximate to the one decimal place, 27.6. Now, you have new right triangle here. No, triangle. Here is B is 22. A is 52. C, here is B. C value 35. You find A is gonna be 27.6. So you know at least angle and corresponding side. So you don't have to using law of cosine anymore. I'm gonna using law of sine, find the angle B first, guys, okay? So let's say using law of sine. Sine A over A. Sine B over B. So sine at angle A 52, sine 52 over 27.6, sine B equal 22. So let's solve this one. then you're going to find angle B. So 22 sine 52 degree, 27.6 sine B. So this is going to be sine B equal 22 sine 52 over 27.6. So how can you calculate this one, guys? Sine B gonna be right here, 0.62812. Angle B gonna be inverse sine 0.62812. So angle gonna be approximate 38.9 degree. So you find angle B, you find B side B. Now angle C gonna be angle C plus angle B plus angle A is 180. So you're gonna find angle C is 180 minus 52 degree minus 38.9 degree. So you find 89.1 degree. That's how to solve triangle. Okay, so make a good decision which formula you're going to use to solve the problem. Let's see another example. Look at this triangle. They give the sides, three sides. We have find angle A, angle B, angle C. We have no idea which angle we're gonna find first. Here's one tip is you look at the side A, B, C. Which one is the longest? I can see C is the longest side, so we try to find angle C first. That's the tip, guys, okay? How can find angle C? Here is we have to use it, love cosine. So cosine C gonna be, they give it to you a square plus b square minus c square over 2ab. That's cosine C. So keep in mind the longest sides, you're gonna pick it and you're gonna find the corresponding angle. So look at this one. A square is 24.6 square. B square is 6.2 square minus 33.5 square. 2 times 24.6 times 16.2. That's you calculate. This one is approximate negative 0.31949. So how can find angle C? C gonna be inverse trigonometric value, arc cosine negative 0.31949. This one is approximate. This one is gonna be 108.6 degree. That you're gonna find it. Okay, so what you find the C, so I'm gonna redraw the triangle here, right there, guys. New one, new information you have. A, B, C. A is 24.6. B gonna be 60.2, C gonna be 33.5. You find the C, angle C is 0.8.6 degree. So we need to find the angle B, angle C, whatever you want to use. I'm gonna using sine, love sine. So this time, sine B over B. What is B? 16.2. Sine C is 108.6 degree over C, 33.5. Let's solve this one. 33.5 sine B equals 6.2 sine 108.6. So sine B 116.2 sine 108.6 over 33.5. So you're going to find this one. That's going to be approximate 0.458323. You can find the B inverse sine, arc sine. So this one is approximate 27.3 degree. Now you find everything. This one you find it. Now angle A plus angle B plus angle C is 180. So you find the angle A is 180 minus 27.3 degree minus 108.6 degree. So you find 44.1 degree. So you have to pick the love sign, love cosine based on the information.